Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips and tricks that you cannot live without on your Galaxy Note 9. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks / hidden features that you cannot live without on your Galaxy Note 9. Actually, I'm going to give you 6. I'm going to give you a little bit of lagniappe. That's how we say it in New Orleans. But I'm going to give you a little bit extra on this video. So I'm going to give you 6. If you learned something today, let me know in the comments. If there's something that you do that you can't live without that I don't mention in this video, let me know in the comments. But let's get into it. The first one I want to talk about is recent apps. There's a nice way of cleaning up your recent apps, at least to me. So normally you go to recent apps, you have all these apps open. I have a lot. I didn't close them out just for the purpose of this video. But if you want to clean that up, you hit the little 3 dots, you go to list view, and that just looks a little bit cleaner. You can still see the apps, and you can, click on one, and it will open up. Like if I go to, shout out to Telegram, bam, there you go. But if I go back to recent apps, if I want to go to Google, it just makes it look a little bit cleaner. At least to me. So that was number 1. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments. Alright, number 2. Number 2 is in the advanced features. It's called multi-view pop-up view. And let me show you what I mean by that. Is you go into settings, you go to advanced features, and multi-window. Bam, there you go, pop-up, view, action. And what that does, it tells you when the app is open in full screen, you can switch it. This is actually pretty cool. Now, sometimes it's a little finicky to get the app to do it, but let's see. I don't want to really search nothing. And there you go. So what it does is brings up a little pop-up. Then you can go into a different app. Say if I want to go into Google, check out some stories about Google today, Google Now, the Poco phone. But I can still talk smack in my Telegram group and say that they're going to lose in the draft. So, and then if you want to bring it back up, there you go. That's actually pretty cool. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments. That was number 2. I don't think I could live without that. I actually use that a lot. So let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is pretty cool too. At my job, I can't be on the phone all the time. Really shouldn't have it out, but I do sometimes. I get notifications. I don't want to pick up my phone. You can actually watch your notifications or turn on your screen by just wiping your hand over the top of your display. And that lets you see your notifications. You can unlock your screen if you wanted to. So it's pretty easy. All you do is bam, it's there. And you can check your notifications without even lifting up your phone. Let me show you how to actually do that. So say you unlock your phone. You go into settings. Under accessibility. And then under interaction and dexterity. Bam, easy screen on. If you turn it off, you won't be able to do it. It even gives you a little bit of directions. I have it on. It works great. At least for me at work. Now, turn it off and just swipe over it. Bam, there you go. You can see your notifications. You can unlock your phone. You don't have to worry about picking it up. That's actually a pretty cool feature. One I cannot live without. Number 4, this one, if you have a screen protector on, I highly recommend doing this one. I have it on all the time, even without a screen protector. But if you get one and the screen protector is giving you a little bit of trouble, with your touch sensitivity, you can always fix that too. So you go back in the settings, you want to go to advanced features, and let's go down. Down here it says touch sensitivity. You just make sure that's on. And that way, when you put a screen protector on, it works. The sensitivity is there. and it increases it for you, which is a big thing for a lot of people because when they use the screen protector, sometimes they lose that touch sensitivity, and this is an easy way of having it on there. Okay, everyone, so this is number 5. It's actually pretty cool. It's actually almost 2 into 1. Could be 7 really good tips, but I'm going to make it all into one tip, number 5. Let's get this started. It's a quick way of toggling between apps that you already have open and without doing multi-window. Now I'm going to show you how to do multi-window and tap between the apps too. So let's get this started. So say you're in Telegram, you're talking smack and Forbes Tech Reviews chat on Telegram, which I need to put a link in so everybody can join so we can talk smack. But say you want to read something on Google Now, and you're reading stories, but somebody put something in the in Telegram, you just double tap, goes right back. All you do is double tap, you're back into you can read about all the stories. Shout out to JJ Watt. But then you go back to Telegram. Oops, I cheated. Double tap, and there you go. So that's part of number 5. The second part I want to show you makes it pretty cool too. First thing you want to do is make sure you go into your settings, go into advanced features, multi-window. Make sure that use recent button split screen view is on. Make sure that's on. So let's get this started. Alright, so say you're watching your favorite YouTuber, say Mr. RP3 Tech Reviews, checking out his first 72 hours with the Note 9. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. Subscribe to his channel if you're not. But this is a quick way of doing it. Now say you want to talk smack in Telegram, but you want to still watch the video. Hold down the recent button, snaps it up to the top so you can still watch it. You go to Telegram, you're talking smack in Telegram, doing whatever you want to. But then they talk about a story in Google. So you go back to Google, so you're watching the thing, and you're looking in Google, so somebody talks smack, you double tap again, bam, it brings it up. Double tap, brings it back up. So you can be doing like almost 3 things at once. That's actually a pretty cool feature. Double tap and it goes back up there while you're still watching RP3 Tech Reviews. That was number 5. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. Number 6, the extra one. We all have kids. We all give them our phones. Sometimes I get, when I don't have little kids anymore, but when I did, they would text or call people, and I wouldn't even know about it because I gave them the phone. They're watching Sesame Street on YouTube or something. There's a quick way of actually pinning that video or that app, and they can't get out of it. And it's actually a pretty cool trick. I'm going to show you. Hopefully, we can get this to work all the time. But what you want to do is go into settings. You want to go into biometrics and security. Scroll all the way down to other security settings. Then you want to scroll down to where it says pin windows. I have it on right now. And what you want to make sure that you have checked is not just pin windows, but use lock type to unpin. And what that does is if the person is old enough to read and understand how to get out of the app, then they won't be able to get into your phone because they don't know your PIN code. But if you're giving it to a little kid, they can't unlock it anyway because they can't read how to unpin the app. But an older person, I don't know, you give it to a coworker, you walk away, they're watching the video, and they want to go creep on your phone, they try to unpin the app, they won't be able to because they don't know your swipe or your PIN code. And the way it actually works. So let me go back into YouTube. All right, so you go into YouTube, you're watching the video. I'm gonna turn the volume down. Right now, you can swipe up and get into any app you want. But if you want to pin it before you give it to somebody, you just hit your recent apps, close that down. And then you can actually pin it with that little button right there. You hit pin. And what it does, it actually tells you how to pin it. But if you need to if you want to unpin it, hold the recent back buttons at the same time. Now, if somebody can read that, they would know how to do it. But if you hit OK, and then you hit play. So they're watching his video or they're watching Sesame Street. Say they try to get out of it. It will not let them get out of it for nothing. I mean, it will stay in YouTube. They can watch different videos in YouTube, which is pretty cool. You know, they want to watch anybody else in there, but they can't get out of it. Now, just say they could read and they learn how to do this. It unpins the app, but you have to put in either your face recognition or your code. So that's a little bit extra security. And that was number 6. That was actually all number 6. So y'all let me know which one was your favorite. If you have any that you can't live without, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.